Hey everyone, today we're checking out the EGSCATEE 140A MIG Welder. A versatile 3-in-1 machine that supports Flux Core MIG, Lift TIG, and MMA welding modes. This welder features an easy-to-use one-knob control panel with a digital LCD screen, making it perfect for beginners and pros alike. The synergic MIG function automatically adjusts voltage and wire feed speed for smooth, consistent welds. Safety is a priority with built-in protections against overcurrent, overload, overheating, and overvoltage, plus a fan cooling system to extend machine life. It's designed for a wide range of applications like home DIY, outdoor repairs, and maintenance on farm equipment or rusty metal. The kit includes essential accessories like a welding gun, electrode holder, grounding clamp, brush, and flux core wire, though the TIG torch is sold separately. Just remember to match your wire spool diameter with the machine's settings for the best performance every time. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.